So we're going to talk about a machine, it's called Hyerextension. It's basically commonly used for lower back and or glutes and hamstrings. So what we want to avoid hyperextension of the spine. That is basically when you go above and beyond a natural range of motion for the spine. So Brenda, if you just want to lay into it, ignore that ball even being there. That's for some additional weight. Cross your arms across your chest. Drop down a bit, sticking your bum up. Now show me where you come up too far and kind of hyperextend. So see that is too high. Most people's back is going to get angry at that. Now if you're really an advanced athlete and you enjoy that, go for it. But right about there, I wouldn't go higher than that. Drop down again, clench the butt, come up just a wee bit higher. That would be a full functional range of motion of this machine, engaging all the posterior chain of muscles. So your hamstrings, your glutes, your lower back is working. Now let's take it to another level. Grab that ball, and we're going to hug that ball. Now also a bit on positioning here. The pad is low enough that it doesn't interfere with the natural crease of where Brenda's body wants to move. When you're taller, of course, bring that pad up. But you don't want to be a tiny person getting in there where it's way up on your stomach and it causing you to bend in an awkward spot. So she's going to hug that ball. We're going to do 5 reps where we come way up high, which will get everything. Lower back, ass, and hamstrings. So 5 reps like that. Breathing big. 3, 4, and 5. Now do 5 more where you only come part way up and focus more on your butt. So 1, 2, butt flexing, 3, 4, and 5. So those look very similar, right, Brenda?
Oh, yeah.
It looks similar, except
Feels
the last 5 she felt more in just the legs and butt. The first 5 she kind of felt everywhere, and she would have burned her back out eventually, probably prior to burning out the glutes and hamstrings. So it's a simple little machine. It can be a nice, safe alternative to doing stiff-legged or Romanian deadlifts, which are a little bit more advanced. But again, if it's not set up properly where it's pivoting at the right spot, you could run into issues. Also, grab the ball again. I want to explain something with Brenda's head position. You don't want your head kinked up like that. Keep it neutral. So kind of just look at the floor a bit. So drop down and then come back up. So you don't want to do anything crazy with your neck because I find some people look very strained. So her head is hopefully pretty straight with her spine. She's going to breathe a bit better. That's a good tip on this one, is to breathe better. Now something I'm noticing, why aren't your calves on the pads back there, Brenda? That's probably,
tired.
Yeah, okay. Let's do 5 with the calves on the pad. And let's focus on the butt, so not all the way up. So 2, 3, 4, 1 more, very good. 5, excellent, good job.